Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to understand the concept of directories when using Ansible or Ansible-Navigator. So the best practice when you are using Ansible or Ansible-Navigator is to create configuration files per each directory with respect to each project. With this, you keep your execution environment clean and straightforward. No need to mix different projects because you have different configurations for different projects. So it's ideal that you get different directories per different project. Let me show you what I mean. So when I do ls, I have a folder called controller. I have another called Ansible-Navigator. So let's see what's in the Ansible-Navigator. And as you can see, just a log file over there. Now let's see what's in the controller. And as you can see, this is a structure of my controller. It's a folder. So the first one you see over here is how I built my execution environment. The next one is just the normal Ansible. As you can see, it's well structured. It's well structured. So as you can see, I have a folder for Ansible iOS commands. I have a folder for only iOS XR configurations. I have a separate folder for Ansible-Navigator. I have a separate folder for event-driven Ansible. So with this, my project is structured and I don't need to mix configuration files with different projects. So I will just cd into my controller. I'll do ls and our focus is on Ansible-Navigator. So cd to Ansible-Navigator. I'll do ls and as you can see, I'll do tree for better view. Look at the directory structure. This is just a log file which keeps a log of every process once we start running the Ansible-Navigator. And we have, most importantly, a configuration file. Now, there's a link to the configuration file in the docs. You can see the configuration file over here. So you can just actually change it to whatever you need. It's a whole lot of configurations which explain itself. So I can't go through the configuration file, but my use case as a network engineer is to use the most simplest and straightforward method as possible. So what I have here is the configuration file, which I'm going to show you. And I have my host file over here so we can see. And we have the inventory. So it's just like the traditional Ansible CLI. So the host is the devices we are going to run against. As you can see, it's over here. So, and the inventory is as you know, it's also just like the host file, but I just created it just for variation. So I also do tree once again. And as you can see, we can check one of our playbooks. So cat iOS XR.yml. And it's just a simple playbook that targets iOS XR. I think that's for Cisco Always On Labs. Just show version, nothing special. So let's look at the Ansible configuration file in the next video. So this is just a brief overview on how I have structured my project, and it's very important. It keeps your work very simple and straightforward. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.